Hey guys, it's Craig at Area 419. Nathan and I out on the range. We're doing another scope mount strength test. So we did one where we torqued on the mount. We did one where we pulled on the mount. If you want to see those, check the comments below. But today we're doing something a little more extreme. We're seeing if the mount can be bulletproof. So here's the test. We set up, and we did this with other mounts too. We tested them. They're the same ones we used in other tests. And again, we outperformed all of them meaningfully. We're not going to show those today. It was very hard to film those without exposing what the other mounts were, and we're not saying anything bad about anyone else. But what we have downrange, we have one of our mounts with an aluminum tube in it. We took a slug, we turned it to 34 millimeter, we anodized it so it's just like your optics tube. And then Ryan at Big Dog Steel did us a huge favor and helped us make a custom target that we could put into the front of that tube so that we could shoot it. We could take the impact of projectiles, transfer them directly into the optic mount, and see how well the mount held that tube against slippage, as well as how well the mount overall withstood the idea of being pounded by thousands of foot-pounds of force. So we're going to start with a 223, move up to a 22 arc, 6-dasher, 6.5 Creedmoor, and 308, and see at what point we start to see any slippage with our mount, and we're going to show it to you right here. So Nathan, it's on you. Take it away. All right, test complete. We withstood without any problems, 223, 22 arc, 6-dasher, 6.5 Creedmoor, and then finally had just a touch of slip, which we showed you with the 308. We're gonna put right here the foot-pounds of energy that were going into the target from 50 yards. Guys, we overbuilt the mount. It's stronger than you're ever gonna need it to be. But when you're spending thousands of dollars on an optic, attaching it to your system, you want your mount to be bomb-proof solid without putting any additional stress into the optic because you just want everything to work. So when you're making a choice about your scope mount, wonder, can any others do this? Check it out, area419.com.